Alright everybody, welcome back to finally another episode in Project Car. So this time it's just going to be a quick update on what's been going on because I still don't have the car back. So it's been mainly stuff behind the scenes. So first off, I've finally been able to get a test print of the book I'm writing. So as you can see here, it's quite a hefty book by now. It's about 128 pages, 132 pages. So the reason I printed it is so that I can actually have a look through it, see if everything works nicely, and then it's easier for me to make notes on it, mark things. As you can see, I've put in most of the, well, most he says, there's still a few missing, but they're coming along nicely. And they're starting to make a lot more sense as we go along, and this is all about information about the actual car, so I've taken from various manuals and whatnot. So as you can see, it's nicely coming along. There's still a lot to be done, but that's it in regards to what's been going on behind the scenes. Otherwise, I'm making order lists of parts that I need and items that I still need to search or find that I want to put in the car. Then the car itself is coming along nicely. The guys that are working on it think they'll have it finished by hopefully the end of next month, if not early December. So fingers crossed we're going to get a car back just before Christmas so that we can then hopefully in the new year start working on it. I can actually produce some proper videos for you guys. Otherwise, what I have been doing is working on this little gem. As you can see, Mini Brunhilde is coming along nicely. She's in her Atlantic blue paint that I've sprayed on recently when we had some nice weather out here. I'm just putting on the tire just to fit and see how things work. I still have to do the grills. They still have to be done in metallic colors, and then my next step will be to do the bumpers, so they still have to be painted with black to represent the rubber parts. Same for these units here. And then on the sofa here you can see all the other parts that are painted, ready for assembly. I remember I need to do the chrome rings around the lights, and then this beautiful orange flag will be fitted somewhere on the back here, I think. I'm still not entirely sure how to do that, but that is so that she can be seen when she's cruising through the village. That's pretty much it. Like I said, it's going to be a very quick, short update on what's been going on. Still plenty of work to be done. So when the car comes back, hopefully I'll have some more information for you. So for the time being, that's going to be it. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, comment, likes, any suggestions that you might have. I'm more than happy to listen to them and see if we can implement them in the channel. I am playing with a few ideas, some tools that I recommend, or some how-tos and everything. So if you're interested in that, let me know, and then hopefully we can make like a mini series on the subject. I've been going on for long enough, so